How to add a voiceover in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in CapCut. Whether you are narrating a video or adding commentary, it's super simple. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Import the video you want to work with by tapping Add. Once your video is on the timeline, we are ready to add a voiceover. To add a voiceover, tap the audio option in the bottom menu, then select Record. You will see a red record button appear on the screen. Position the playhead where you want the voiceover to start, then press the record button and speak into your device microphone. When you are done, tap the stop button. Your voiceover will now appear as an audio track in the timeline. You can adjust the volume, trim the audio, or even add effects by tapping on the voiceover track. Use these tools to make sure it blends perfectly with the video. Once you are happy with the voiceover, play the video to review the final result, and if everything looks good, tap Export to save your video. And that's it. Adding a voiceover in CapCut is that easy. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.